Okay. I'm Brian Lively. I'm 49 years old.
What brought you in to see us today?
I have extreme neck pain and upper trapezius shoulder.
Point out the area of chief complaint for you.
Right. All back through here.
All back there.
Connecting to the back of the head.
What is your pain level day to day on a scale of 1 to 5?
About a 4.
All right.
The day-to-day effect is it gets so bad I have to pull over while I'm driving because I can't lift my head.
Absolutely. How has your range of motion
The range
been?
of motion has increased about 80%. The improvements are the range of motion, and the nagging pain is gone. That's the main thing. It was consistent. Now it's hardly ever comes around,
Awesome.
and at a much less level.
Did you have any feedback for us or for any other patients that want to come see us?
Absolutely. If you come in, take the pain from the first day and just build on it, and you'll get better and better. Don't be shied away just because it hurts the first day. The pain goes away and it gets better.
Orthossage, rehabilitation, maintenance, prevention.